to Tomoko's Kitchen. Today I will make quiche. I used instant pie crust. Wait for like 15-20 minutes and it becomes almost room temperature and it's easier to use. Then poke the inside of the sheet, side and the bottom. Then cook for about 10 minutes or so at 450. I used ham, onion, bell pepper, frozen spinach, bacon and broccolis are good too. I put some olive oil and cook them. Then a little bit butter and salt and pepper to adjust the taste. After cooking, put things into the pie crust. While cooling down pie crust and filling, let's prepare eggs. I use 3 eggs, heavy cream and nutmeg, and just mix it together and pour into the filling. I used mixed cheese on top. I turned oven and the temperature is 400 Fahrenheit and baked for about 15 minutes. Thank you for watching Tomoko's Kitchen.